Hi, the story I chose is Maybe, a story about the endless potential in all of us by Kobi Yamada and illustrated by Gabriella Barak. The activity that goes along with this book is a vision board. Yamada's book focuses on each individual reader, inspiring us with simple words of wisdom. The artwork is stunning, and every time you read it, you find something new in the illustrations. Also, the main character's sidekick, the flying pig, illusions are abound here, reinforces the idea that anything is possible. Questions to ask. Before you begin reading, you can ask your students, is there something special you want to be or do? You can have them jot this down as a list before you begin to read. Afterwards, what does the word potential mean to them? And have you ever seen a vision board? What do you think a vision board might be? The supplies that you need depend on which type you decide to do. So if you're going for the OG vision board, magazines, discarded books, objects, stickers, scissors, and glue. If you want something in more new technology, Canva is a great place to create a vision board with uploaded photos or sites like Unsplash. If you do decide to use Canva, you can create a desktop wallpaper through Canva, and this can actually be converted to a wallpaper for your phone. So here's my vision board that I created after reading Maybe. I wrote down a list of my goals and aspirations for the year, and then I knew what to include within my vision board. And now I can post it on my desktop. In my library curriculum, one of the greatest things about this activity is that it can be used for K through 12th grade. So this is one of those ones that you can use no matter what type of library you're put into. It can also be used at any point during the year, depending on your students. So for example, seniors, you might want to do that right before they graduate. Sixth graders at the beginning of the school year as they enter middle school, or even right when we come back from New Year's. It's a great activity to do with our students. As I already showed you, the additional option of creating the vision board in Canva as desktop wallpaper or as a phone wallpaper, that way the student can carry their vision board everywhere they go. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.